Ah, falafel, the golden, crispy delight that's taken the street food scene by storm. If you haven't tried it yet, you're in for a treat. Today I'm diving into why falafel is hands down the best street food ever. First off, let's talk about what falafel actually is. These little beauties are made from ground chickpeas and fava beans. You mix them with herbs, spices and a bit of flour to hold everything together. Then, you shape the mixture into balls or patties and deep fry them until they're deliciously crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. But what makes falafel stand out? For one, its versatility. You can have falafel in a pita as part of a salad or even on its own with a side of tahini sauce. It's vegan and gluten-free, which means almost everyone can enjoy it. And let's not forget the taste. Oh, the taste. The combination of fresh herbs like parsley and cilantro with the warm spices like cumin and coriander creates an explosion of flavor in every bite. It's herbaceous, spicy, and downright addictive. Now, let's talk history. Falafel has deep roots in Middle Eastern cuisine with origins that many believe trace back to Egypt. It's been enjoyed for centuries and for good reason. Over time, it has spread across the globe, becoming a beloved street food in many countries. One of the best things about falafel is how it's enjoyed by people from all walks of life. Whether you're grabbing a quick lunch on the go or savoring it at a food market, falafel has a universal appeal. It's the perfect balance of convenience and flavor. And let's not forget the health benefits. Packed with protein, fiber, and essential vitamins, falafel is not just tasty but also nutritious. Chickpeas and fava beans are excellent sources of plant-based protein, making falafel a great option for vegetarians and vegans. But the real magic of falafel, it's the experience. Picture this. You're wandering through a bustling food market, the aroma of freshly fried falafel wafting through the air. You order a pita stuffed with falafel, fresh vegetables, and a drizzle of tahini. The first bite is a burst of flavor and texture that leaves you craving more. So the next time you're looking for a tasty, satisfying and healthy meal, give falafel a try. Whether you're new to it or a long-time fan, there's always something new to love about this incredible street food. Trust me, once you've had good falafel, you'll understand why it's the best street food ever. Thanks for joining me on this tasty adventure. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more delicious content. See you next time.